Hi, let's say you have a master customer board and you want to look up if this customer exists when you add their name on other boards. So here's how you can solve this with VLOOKUP. So let's say you have a master contact board. You need to add an automation that every time that a new customer enters, added to this board, you add the number 1. So for example, this is the customer. On any other board, a target board, for example, project contacts, you need to install VLOOKUP and the VLOOKUP integrations and create a numbers column and also a status column, is this customer exists or not. With VLOOKUP, you can map these boards. So when there is a match in item name in the master contacts and project board, link the numbers column. So there will be a match. And then create an automation. So every time when the number column changes to 1, set existing customer to yes. So for example, I do this. This is a customer that we have on the master contact, customer name, and in the project contact, this is going to the master board and inquire about if it exists or not. And the status is also changed to yes. Thank you.